Hello, I just wanted to show you a quick video here on how to set up a Tesla monitor. So if you're like me, you've got a Tesla on order and you're patiently waiting a VIN number, which mine says February, but there have been stories of people lately getting their VIN, so we're just sitting here waiting. And you're probably sitting here refreshing this page all day long and watching your computer screen and seeing that nothing changes. But I'm going to show you a quick script that you can set up with your Google Chrome, and it will monitor it for you. So this is Tamper Monkey. It is a extension for Chrome, and I'm going to put all the links into an article on my website, and the link to that article is in the description of this video. So Tamper Monkey, and then you're going to make a new script for this. So once you install Tamper Monkey, you'll see it. You'll see your little plug-in extensions thing here, and over here's Tamper Monkey. So you go in and actually, you'll just click Tamper Monkey and then you'll hit create a new script. Now, we already got the script, so I'm going to go back and just open it here, Sound for Tesla. Now, I am using someone else's code, and I'm going to give them credit for that. So, appreciate that. But I've modified it in a way to do what I want it to do. So, I am hosting my own emergency alert sound. It is the United States emergency alert sound, and you're welcome to use that link if you'd like it. The link will be intact. I went ahead and set the include to my Tesla order link. You don't have to do that. You can leave that as star and it will work just fine. Actually, I think I'm going to change mine back to star because complications. But anyway, and then if you have a new model S or X, your VIN number will start with 7SAX. That's just the way it works. So, and now I think this is different if you're not in America or whatever, but for the most part, that's all American orders. S and X will get the same thing. And then the script just tells it to play the audio. So you paste this in. If you want to change it, like if you're going to get a Model Y or whatever, you'll get a 5Y whatever VIN number, so you can change it to 5Y instead. But 7SAX is for a Model X, and I think 7SAS is for a Model S. I'm not 100% on that. You don't have to put all 4 letters. You can put 7SA and it'll work just fine. So the next thing you're going to need in the link in the description is easy auto refresh for Chrome. So basically, we've set the script up to watch any website that I go to for 7SAX, and if it sees it, it will play the sound. So now we just have to make it look at this. So we go to this page, and then we go into refresh every, or refresh auto refresh, and I set mine to 600 seconds. That's about 30 minutes. That's a safe amount of time. Is that 30 minutes? That might be 10 minutes. I don't even know. I didn't do my math before I started the video. I started at 600 seconds. When I first did it, I did it to 30 seconds, and it was causing this page to kick me back to the previous page, and I was no longer on the order page. So I slowed it down to whatever it is, 600 seconds, and it has stayed on this page for close to 30 hours now. So no issues. So I'm going to just show you now. There is a downside to using this script. If you put star here, that's going to make it look for 7SAX on any page you go to. So, for example, we'll go to Tesla Motors Club. I can't remember what it's called. This is a website that they talk about. People talk about getting their orders and waiting on VIN numbers, and some of them are actually getting VIN numbers. So this is looking for any website that has that set of letters and numbers that represent a VIN. So if I go over here, as you can hear, it's now playing the sound because on this page, someone's VIN is on that page. So in order to prevent false alarms like that, if you do use Chrome for your main browser, you need to change this to your order page. The only downside to having it set as a static link of your order page, which is this page, is if for some reason you set your refresh timer too often, it will jump back to the previous page And if your VIN number were to show up here, it still wouldn't alarm because it's not on the right page. So personally, I just don't use Chrome for anything. And I use Firefox for all my main stuff. And then I have Chrome set up solely to sit here and refresh. But as you heard, that's the sound that it plays. You can set any sound that you want. It just needs to be in a hosted environment, somewhere on the internet that it can access it and then play it. So if you have any sort of web space, you can put it there, or I think there are probably websites that you can use. It just has to be like a straight .mp3 file so that it can play it. So that's a quick run through on how to set yourself up a little monitor to see if you get a VIN or not. And I'm patiently waiting. So I thought maybe I would share that. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I'll be glad to help. Thanks.